right? So for this question, it says to solve for x, and we've got 3x is equal to 15 minus 2x. Now, as you can clearly see, x is appearing on both sides of the equation, both sides of the equal sign. So you have a 3x on the left and you have a negative 2x on the right. Now, the whole idea now is your final answer have to be 1x is equal to something. That's what you have to get at the final end. So as soon as possible, when you're in a situation like that, is to bring your x's together on one side of the equation as early as possible. Okay, now it would be easier now to cancel out the smaller x. So you have to compare the x's and cancel out the smaller x. That would be the easiest thing to do. So we have a 3x on the left and we have a negative 2x on the right. On the number line, negative 2 is smaller than 3. Okay, negative 2 is smaller than 3. So it is easier to cancel out the smaller x, which is the negative 2x, by adding. So let's go over that again. Originally, we have a 3x on the left and a negative 2x on the right. As soon as possible, it is easier to bring your x's together on one side of the equation. So we have to cancel out x's from a side and for it to appear on the other side. Now, the easier x to cancel out is the smaller one. So we have a 3x and a negative 2x. Negative 2 is smaller than 3, so it is easier to cancel out negative 2 by doing the opposite of negative 2, which is add. Okay, so plus 2x will cancel out a negative 2x. If we add 2x on the right, we have to add 2x on the left, okay, for the equation to balance. So by adding 2x on the right, we are left with only 15 on the right. And 3 plus 2 will give us 5x on the left. So we have 5x is equal to 15. Okay, so now we have 5x on the left alone and 15 on the right. So what we can clearly do now is to divide. To cancel all the 5 now, we do the opposite of multiplying, which is divide. And if you divide on the left, we have to divide on the right. And we're going to have x is equal to 3. All right, x is equal to 3. So to prove that x is equal to 3, we're going to substitute 3 into the place of x in the original equation to see what happens. So when you put 3 on the left, we have 3 times 3, which is 9. But we have to substitute 3 also on the right side where x is. 3 3s a 9. That will give us 9 on the left side. All right. And 15 minus 6, because 2 3s are 6, negative 6. 15 minus 6 will give us 9. So that's proof that our answer actually is x is equal to 3. Okay. So just remember, when you have 2 x's, one on the left, one on the right, bring your x's together on one side as soon as possible by canceling out the smaller x. So between 3 and -2, -2 is a smaller one, so it is easier to cancel out -2 by adding 2. And if you add on the right, you have to add 2x on the left. 3 plus 2 is 5, and then you divide by 5 to get 3. And here's the proof that 3 is the actual answer.